Okay, so you guys are going to be here for the colors and why my clips look like this. So here we go. So we're going to drag our adjustment clip. It's not always going to be there, so make sure you guys actually like search it up. So adjustment clip is going to be here in the toolbox section, and you're going to have this stuff right here. So you're going to highlight all of them, retime scale, and make sure it's got an optical flow. And if you're on the studio version, you can use speed warp. If not, then you have to use the enhance better, and that just means that it's going to be a little bit smoother, but that means you have to render it. So because it's going to be a little bit choppy now, you have to use the render cache to help you make it a little bit smoother. So we're going to let this bar go to blue, and then we will continue on. Okay, and now the bar is blue. As you guys can see, everything is nice and smooth. Even the ISO is nice and smooth too. We're going to hit this clip with something special. I'm going to hit my control key and R to bring up the speed control. And then we're going to add a speed point right here. We're going to go straight to 10% because it's, you know, it's cool. The shot is cool. So then afterwards, we're going to find where the beat hits. It's probably around here, I think. So the beat hits here again. So then we're just going to resume that, add another speed point right there, and then just resume back that to 100. So now we're going to go to the color tab where I have my settings preset already. And I'm just going to apply this to my adjustment clip. So now we have our input going to our contrast, our color grading, glow, blur, and finally everything into the vignette, and then going back to the media output. Everything's applied. I like to put it into my adjustment clip because if I do want to, let's say, edit my other clips and it gets too laggy or something like that, I can just turn it off and I can just redo this stuff. Okay, so we're just gonna watch it back real quick, make sure everything is fine, it looks fine, looks great. And so now we're just going to do one more little thing. We're just gonna drag an adjustment clip like so and have it fade away. Doesn't have to be perfect. We put our playhead right in front of it. Make sure we click onto it, and we're gonna use glow. So make sure you guys go to open FX and then type in glow, and make sure you use this one, not any other ones, otherwise it becomes a transition or something like that. And if you wanna keep using it, press the star key so it's always in your favorite. Drag it into there, and see, now it glows. It's going to be a little flash, but we don't want it to be like everywhere. We're going to control it a little bit. So we're just going to use this dial right here, which is called spread and shape. So we're just going to like do a little flash just like that. Make sure you highlight everything again and then put it into optical flow and also speed warp. But if you don't have studio, you have to use enhance better. And if you want like a quick and dirty bounce, you can just do a directional blur right here. Go to a blur angle, 90 degrees, and then probably like a 0.35 is good enough. Copy that, go one frame, and then another frame, just like so. So it's like space one frame, and buzzy buzz, something like this. So now we're in the Fusion tab here. I would like to put some optical flow and also some motion blur into the video because it looks nice. That's what I think. So hit shift and space, type in optical flow, OF right here, and it will automatically add. And then I like to do the smoothness, bump it up everything. I don't know if it actually does anything or not, but who cares? So make sure you click onto the optical flow, Control C to copy it, and just paste it into every single tab. And then now, and do the exact same, space shift, and then you go motion blur. There we go, the vector motion blur right here, VBI. And I don't want to tweak anything, otherwise it gets too like blurry. Copy and paste into the other tab. So now that we're finished with the Fusion tab, we go back to our editing tab right here. Last but not least, I always go and highlight my Valorant clip or any clip that you like to edit. Just don't highlight the adjustment clips, only the clip that you're working with. And I go to super scale and I use 2x enhance. That's how I get my crispiness. So now we're in the render tab, and you just have to do whatever graphics card you have. You might have NVIDIA, you might have Intel, you might have AMD. So you just choose the encoder. So I do 2-pass on full, everything on high, preset on medium. Go here to data levels on full, and also forcing size to highest quality, and the Bayer to highest quality. I just add the cube, and then after that I just render out. And now here we have the clip, and it's all rendered out. It's only 4 seconds, but you guys can get the idea on how it looks. So yeah, it's pretty much how I get my colors and my flashes and stuff like that for my video. So hope you guys enjoyed, and keep watching my montages. Bye!